Do you feel the call of the wild beckoning you to your next outdoor adventure? It's a thrilling prospect, isn't it? But adventure is best enjoyed when you're well prepared. That's where we come in. On Wilderness Wanderer TV, we're all about helping you gear up for that epic outdoor escapade. We'll guide you through the essentials of camping preparation, from picking the right gear to planning for emergencies. So, are you ready to embrace the great outdoors? Stay tuned as we break down the camping preparation process into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, any seasoned camper will tell you that having the right gear is half the battle won. When you're planning to head into the great outdoors, your camping equipment can be your best friend or your worst enemy. It's not just about what you bring, but also about the quality and suitability of each piece of gear. Let's start with tents. This is your home away from home, so it's crucial to choose wisely. Consider factors like the number of people it needs to accommodate, the expected weather conditions, and how lightweight it needs to be for your trek. A good tent will shield you from the elements and provide a comfortable shelter for restful sleep. Next up, sleeping bags. No one likes shivering through the night, so ensure you pick a sleeping bag that's fit for the temperatures you'll be camping in. They come in different shapes, sizes, and insulation types. The key is to choose one that will keep you warm, but not too warm, and that packs down small for your backpack. Now let's talk about cooking equipment. A day of hiking and exploring will stir up quite the appetite, so having the right tools to whip up a hot meal is vital. You'll need a camping stove that's compact yet powerful, and cookware that's lightweight and easy to clean. Don't forget utensils, a cool box for perishables, and a water filter if you'll be sourcing water from nature. Of course, there's more to camping gear than just these essentials. Depending on your needs, you might also want to consider things like camping chairs for comfort, headlamps for nighttime navigation, and portable power sources to keep your gadgets charged. It's worth noting that while good camping gear can be an investment, it doesn't necessarily need to break the bank. There are plenty of affordable options out there that don't compromise on quality or performance. Just remember that skimping on gear could mean compromising on comfort and safety. Remember, investing in high-quality gear can make your camping experience more comfortable and enjoyable. So take the time to research, choose wisely, and gear up for an unforgettable outdoor adventure. Safety is paramount when venturing into the great outdoors. Imagine you're deep in the wilderness, miles away from civilization. You trip over a root and scrape your knee. It's just a minor cut, but without proper care, it could lead to infection. This is where a well-stocked first aid kit comes in handy. It should include antiseptics, bandages, tweezers, and more to handle common camping injuries like cuts, burns, insect bites, and sprains. But what if the situation is more serious? What if you lose your way or need urgent help? Knowledge of basic emergency measures can be a lifesaver. Learn how to navigate using the sun, stars, or a compass. Understand how to signal for help, perhaps with a whistle, mirror, or flare. Remember, the wilderness is unpredictable. Being knowledgeable and prepared can mean the difference between a minor mishap and a major disaster. Now let's talk about food. After all, even explorers need to eat. When it comes to camping, you want meals that are easy to prepare, nutritious, and lightweight to carry. One fantastic option is dehydrated meals. They're lightweight, packed with nutrition, and all you need to do is add hot water, and voila, dinner is served. Consider options like dehydrated chili, soups, or even pasta. Next up, trail mix. It's a camper's best friend. A blend of nuts, dried fruits, and perhaps a sprinkle of chocolate can give you the energy boost you need during a long hike. Don't forget about canned goods. Tuna, beans, and even vegetables can be a real lifesaver when you're in the wilderness. And of course, always pack enough water. Hydration is key, especially when you're physically active. Lastly, remember to pack everything in bear-proof containers if you're camping in bear country. With these food ideas, you'll stay fueled and ready for all your camping adventures. Preparing for a camping trip doesn't have to be daunting. Remember, the right gear is your outdoor home. Prioritize a sturdy tent and a well-stocked first aid kit. Your safety relies on knowing basic emergency measures, so familiarize yourself with these. And let's not forget about food. Pack for practicality and taste. Easy-to-cook meals can turn a simple campfire into a gourmet experience. With these tips, You're now ready to conquer the wilderness. Adventure awaits.